Cassowaries, often dubbed the most dangerous birds on Earth, absolutely live up to their fearsome reputation. Native to the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea, these flightless birds are not only strikingly beautiful but also remarkably powerful and potentially deadly. Standing up to 6 feet tall and weighing over 150 pounds, cassowaries are built like modern-day dinosaurs. Their most notable weapon? A dagger-like claw on each foot that can grow up to 4 inches long. When threatened, they deliver lightning-fast kicks capable of disemboweling predators or unlucky humans. Despite their lethal potential, cassowaries are naturally shy and prefer to avoid conflict. However, if cornered or provoked, they won't hesitate to defend themselves. Cases of cassowary attacks often involve humans feeding them or encroaching on their territory, emphasizing the importance of respecting their space. Interestingly, cassowaries play a vital role in their ecosystem. Known as gardeners of the rainforest, they help spread seeds far and wide, ensuring the survival of many plant species. While their reputation as the most hazardous bird might sound dramatic, it's a reminder of the respect and caution we should have for wildlife, especially creatures as ancient and extraordinary as the cassowary.